हेलो साथीहरु नमस्ते। आज चाहिँ हामी यो अस्ट्रेलियाको ताजमानी भन्ने ठाउँमा आइपुगेका छौँ र ताजमानियाको स्मिथ टाउन भन्ने क्षेत्रमा आइपुगेका छौँ। अनि त्यस पछाडि म यो ठाउँको भेडा फार्मिङ क्षेत्रमा हिँडिरहेको छु है। त्यति बेला म यो भेडा पाल्ने अथवा बिफ पाल्ने खेती किसानको ठाउँमा छु। विशेष गरी यहाँनिर चाहिँ बिफ फार्मिङ, भेडा फार्मिङ, सिप फार्मिङहरू गरिन्छ र यसै अनुरूप चाहिँ यहाँ भेडा फार्म कसरी गरिन्छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ देखाउन गइरहेको छ आजको यस भिडियोमा है त।
Welcome to Tasmania.
ल कति मोटो भेडा रहेछ बाबा त। Right, Lamas. We are on. Okay, all set to go. Yep.
I feel like I'm in jungle safari. Jungle safari?
फाइनली हामी चाहिँ यहाँ फार्ममा चाहिँ गाडी चलाइरहेको छौँ, गइरहेको छौँ है। फार्म भिजिट गरिरहेको छौँ है गाडीमा। एन्ड दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट एक्सपिरियन्स। How old it is? This vehicle it is?
How old is the machine?
Yeah, machine. Yeah.
Oh, probably 20 years old.
20 years old.
You want to go over and see these cattle?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh my god, 20.
Okay. गाई फार्मतिर चाहिँ आइपुगेको छु है त। गाई भएको गाई बस्तु बिफ भएको ठाउँमा आइपुगेको
So you might have to go back a little bit to drive in.
छु। Okay.
कसरी हो ब्याक रिभर्स जानु पर्यो?
Reverse. ओके गाडी चलाउनु त एकदमै गाह्रो हुँदैछ। 20 वर्ष 21 वर्ष पुरानो गाडीहरू यो। एन्ड हियर वी गो। अब हामी जाँदैछौँ गाई भएको ठाउँतिर है त, बिफ भएको ठाउँतिर। एन्ड यो बिफ फार्मिङ यस्तो खालको फार्मिङ जहाँ कुनै गोठ छैन, कुनै घर छैन गाई गोरुको लागि। अब यो चौर खुला पासर नै यिनीहरूको लागि चाहिँ घर हो, ठाउँ हो, वासस्थान हो। यही होक्छन्, यही खान्छ।
यही रोकौँ के? यही रोकौँ त बुढातिर जानु लागेको।
ल अब चाहिँ हामी गाडी यहाँ रोक्छौँ र गाई बस्तु उठाउन आउँछौँ है त। अब गाडी हामी यहाँ पार्क
Now
गर्छौँ।
we are going.
यो गाडी हामीले यहाँ चलाएर आइसकेका छौँ, पुऱ्याइसकेका छौँ। अनि देन अबको पालो भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो बिफ हेर्ने छ, गाई बस्तु हेर्ने छ। नजिकै गएर हामी गाई बस्तु हेर्ने छौँ है त।
गुनै गुराइछ हेर त कति धेरै गोबर।
केयरफुल यहाँ गुने गुरु बढी छ, गोबर नै गोबर बढी छ।
They all are looking towards me.
Wow. Nice.
So they'll actually recognise that you're strange.
Really?
They've never seen you before. So they'll be just a little bit tentative.
So हामीलाई चाहिँ नयाँ देखेर चाहिँ मेरो
They
टल्ला
can
परिरहेको
come this side?
No, they can't get over that.
Oh, okay.
Well, if they do, run.
Is it? No.
I'm pretty
You're
scared.
kidding.
They have tag. Every
Yeah.
cow have tag. So
Yep.
their names or their numbers.
They're
or-
numbers.
and then after you count how many.
So
cows.
we can tell, but they've got, see that black one there? See there's a little white tag in that side?
Yeah.
Now every animal in Australia has to have one of those.
Oh.
It's a national ID.
National ID. Okay.
You can't sell cattle without that national ID.
Oh.
You mean
But you can't see, it's got a number that's about, it's about 20 numbers and letters. So you can't physically see that here like this.
Yeah.
So I put numbers, tags in there that I can read. So when they come round in the cattle race up there,
Yeah.
I can actually read them.
यति बेला चाहिँ म बिफ भएको ठाउँमा गाई नै गोरु भएको ठाउँमा आइपुगेको छु यो फार्ममा यो फार्ममा चाहिँ गोरुहरूले पुरा मलाई टुवा परिरहेको छ को मान्छे आयो भनेर यो सबै चाहिँ गोरु मात्रै रहेछन् फेरि यहाँ चाहिँ गोरु विशेष गरी चाहिँ मासु उद्देश्यको लागि मासु पर्पोजको लागि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ पालिने रहेछ यहाँ रहेछ र सबैले मलाई टुवा परिरहेको छन् को मान्छे आयो भनेर होला सायद
So they're all males and they're being castrated.
So they are all for beef purposes, right?
It's all for eating.
Yeah. Do they have a tracker?
No. A lot of dairy cows do these days.
Hey.
So you mean there is no any female cows here, female beef here? All male.
These are all males.
So what about the reproduction?
Well, we buy them.
Oh, okay.
So there's a lot of people out there just have the cows and
looks
calves.
like all become adult now. So
we buy them at, well, 200 kilos small.
The little one?
Yeah.
Where are mosquitoes here?
Yeah, I'll show you.
So you don't reproduce here, you just buy the little calves?
We buy them at, say, probably 300 kilos. And we take them up to 700.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So these cattle here will be about 500 kilos. They're half a tonne.
Oh.
What is the cost of a single beef here?
One of these.
If we buy, just randomly.
You want to buy that now? It costs you 2,500.
2,500.
Which means 2,500. Around 3,000.
Around this time of year, it's an expensive time.
These are the babies.
Can't be bothered.
Is that alright to stop here?
No. There's no need to get out with this. Come on!
Come on! Everybody!
Everybody. Don't touch that wire, it can. I think they are coming.
They're coming.
Yeah, they are coming.
You're-
They're coming up to see the Nepalese monkey. They haven't seen one of them
Oh
before.
god, well, हेर त यहाँ हामीले प्लिज मोङ्की भन्छु नि ओके यो चाहिँ वायर रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ
Yeah,
इलेक्ट्रिक
no, don't touch that, please.
No, just showing to my audience.
For your audience. Who's that?
Well,
The audience?
Might be good viewing on the thing. You touch it, you get a photo of it.
These are your audience. Look how they are.
यो जुन वायर छ यहाँ चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रिक वेभ चलिरहेछ बिजुली चलिरहेछ That's why
We are not allowed to touch it.
animals do not cross this line because of the wire, because of the bar.
Come on! Choo choo!
गाई गोरुहरू जेसुकै होस् भनौँ न यहाँबाट पास हुन पाउँदैन क्रस हुन पाउँदैन त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि पनि यिनीहरू एकै ठाउँमा बसिरहेको छ
अलिक सानो खालको रहेछ क्या
यो
अहिलेको
चाहिँ
भन्दा
अलिकति सानो खालको अघि नैको चाहिँ ठुलो खालको थियो बिरुक होइन यो चाहिँ अलिकति सानो खालको र सानो खालको भन्दा पनि सानो उमेरको भनौँ न सानो उमेरको रहेछ यो सानो उमेरको एउटा लेभलमा पालिँदो रहेछ एउटा एजमा पालिँदो रहेछ अघि नैको चाहिँ अर्को ठुलो एजको थियो यो चाहिँ अलिकति सानो एजको छ अब यिनीहरूको घर सर कहाँ केही पनि छैन यहाँनिर
खुला जङ्गल
no any
आकाशमा
house, no any sheds for them. They just live in the open area, wide area. So they just eat here, they poo here, and
They do everything.
they will drink water here. Everything is facilitated for them. यहाँनिर कुवा देखिन्छ कुवामा यहीँ चाहिँ बनाइन्छ यही खान्छन् आउँछन् and the grassहरू पनि यत्तिकै नेचुरली ग्रो हुन्छ खालि फर्टिलाइजर मात्रै हालिँदो रहेछ त्यस पछाडि यहीँ खाने यहीँ बस्ने चाहे त्यो एकदमै चिसो ठन्डा होस् या गर्मी होस् घाम जस्तो बेला होस्
तिनीहरूको शरीरमा अलिक भूत लाग्दो रहेछ हेर न
एन्ड
कम अन
त्यहाँ ऊ त्यो उनीहरूको कानमा राखेको छ नि त्यो कानमा चाहिँ ट्र्याकर जस्तो रहेछ त्यहाँ चाहिँ काउन्ट गर्न सजिलो होस् भनेर चाहिँ त्यो लगाइएको रहेछ र कुनै कुनै बी फार्महरूमा चाहिँ
They are coming.
ट्र्याकिङ सिस्टम
They are coming now. They have started coming this way.
कमिङ नै होला हेर्दा उनीहरू आउँदैछ यहाँनिर यहाँ आइस
Look.
खाना आइस अनि यसरी पानी खान आउँछन्
Ooh. Oh my gosh, they are drinking water.
Come on everybody! यो कुवामा यसरी खाइरहेछन् यिनीहरूले पानी यस्तो न्युट्रिसियस खाना छ यहाँ खाजा यिनीहरूको लागि घाँसे मैदान यति इनफ छ यसलाई यो बार कटेर जानेवाला छैन यति इमान्दार छन् फेरि यो बी फार्ममा आएर चाहिँ कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ भन मजा आइरहेछ ओके मितिर लाइदिने उ त्योसँग
No, I don't want.
Oh god. गाई नै गाई छ है त अस्ट्रेलियाको विशेष गरी ताजमेनी एरिया चाहिँ बिफ फार्मिङको लागि नै चाहिँ चर्चित छ र पुरा संसारमा नै 7औं बिफ उत्पादन देशहरूमा मध्येमा चाहिँ पर्छ यो हैन अब कन्ज्युम गर्ने पनि त्यतिकै छन् त्यति मात्रामा छन् त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि यो बिफ फार्मिङ चाहिँ एकदमै पपुलर छ जस कारणले गर्दाखेरि यहाँको अर्थतन्त्रलाई पनि एकदमै राम्रो टेवा पुर्याइरहेको छ
What's written in the ear? You can.
RYN RYN 50. Is that the name of the cow?
Come from the Ryan family.
Oh,
Oh, so Ryan means.
What is the meaning of W1 to W12?
Well, that come from person from Ulverston.
W7, W1. Okay.
Okay, we go now. Bye bye.
जाडो जाडो त बढिरहेछ हैन
हामी चाहिँ अब यो गाडीमा हिँडिरहेछु.
These ones are all girls.
Oh, really?
Oh, these are the girls.
Oh. Okay.
That's what we call heifers. Heifers when they've never had a calf.
यो चाहिँ रह्यो पुरै फिमेल बिफ्स है यतापट्टि चाहिँ फिमेल बिफ राखेको रहेछ why the beefs are separated? I mean the male and female cow beefs are separated.
त्यो फिमेल भएको भएर होला क्या यहाँनिर यसको चाहिँ कपाल छ
Jump
क्या.
all over one another and all that sort of thing. When they're having, they're ovulating, the other cattle jump on them.
Yeah, we don't want that.
So you put big steers on them and knock them around.
Yep.
Okay.
It's not safe for the baby.
Right. So गोरुले नसताओस् भन्नको लागि
गाईलाई
पोथी
छुट्याइराखेको.
पोथी गाई एकतिर गोरु एकातिर राखेको रहेछ So that's the reason behind that. Okay. So not to disturb the female cows from the male babes, something like that. Alright. So moving ahead.
Yeah.
हाम्रो गाई यस्तै थियो just a single guy. Oh my god. I recall my lovely cow when I was a child. We used to have something like a cow, just a single cow in my home. So I was recalling that. Prettiest ever. Bye everyone.
Bye bye. I feel like I'm in jungle safari. Jungle safari?
यो चाहिँ गाई बस्तुको खाना यो चाहिँ गाई बस्तु खाना रहेछ पराल that's we call पराल
It's called grass fed. There's probably hardly any other country in the world that grow cattle as good as.
so only the verified company is allowed to produce those things.
Yeah, you can do them. They will grain feed. Put cattle in what's called feedlots and grain feed them when they go into Japan or whatever. It turns the fat in pure white, which that looks clean.
Pray.
You right?
Yeah. I'm enjoying. You know what, Gerald? When I was back in my country, I used to have a small chicken farm. You know,
Right.
the free-range chicken farm, and I have conducted for a year, and I used to incubate the eggs and chickens, small chickens, over there. So I reminded that all. Goat sort case, I know. Just open free area they live every time.
Yep. Should have asked that, but we'll find it. That's what I'm hoping it is.
सानो सानो पाठा पठाएर बोकेर हिँडिरहेछ पाठा पनि रहेछ ल राइट अब चाहिँ हामी यो पास्टरभित्र चाहिँ छिरेका छौँ उहाँजीले चाहिँ ढोको लाउनु भयो है त
So look straight up, straight having a drink, look.
Oh yeah.
Having a drink?
यहाँ चाहिँ सानो सानो पोन्ड पोखरीहरू पनि रहेछ Come on. आमा छोरा रहेछ यहाँ भागिरहेछ साना साना नन्ना मुन्ना
They're about a week old, those ones. So pretty active.
कति राम्रो क्युट क्युट ल
They usually have two. Often.
स यतापट्टि
Have three.
छन् भेडाहरू हेरिरहेछ है अब यो अचम्मको खालको चाहिँ यहाँको फार्मिङ छ सिस्टम न कुनै खोर न कुनै होइन यिनीहरूलाई बस्नको लागि कुनै फोहोर व्यवस्था छ खाली यो चौरमा घाँसे मैदानमा यत्तिकै छोडिन्छ दिन रात एन्ड देन झरी होस् हिउँ परोस् मतलब भएन खाली त्यो बिरामी परेको बेलामा मात्रै त्यो सानो एउटा गोठ छ त्यो गोठमा लिएर आएर यिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ ट्रिटमेन्ट गरेर लिएर आइन्छ र यिनीहरूको फर झिक्नको लागि मात्रै लिएर आइन्छ त्यहाँनिर नत्र भए अल द वे यिनीहरू खाने पिउने बस्ने हग्ने सबै यहीँ रहेछ ल अनि यो तारहरू चाहिँ यिनीहरूले वायर तार हुँदो रहेछ इलेक्ट्रिक तार सुरक्षाको लागि
बाघ भालुबाट जोगाउनको लागि भनौँ न अथवा यिनीहरूलाई बाहिर ननिस्कनबाट चाहिँ जोगाउनको लागि चाहिँ यो तारहरू प्रयोग गर्ने रहेछन्। यो सबै 600 एकड जग्गामा फैलिएको छ भन्छ यसले जोडालका अनुसार। यो चाहिँ यतापट्टिको चाहिँ भेडा रह्यो, अर्को उतापट्टि सेक्सनमा चाहिँ गाईहरू वस्तुहरू रहेछन् बी फार्मिङ। अनि यहाँनिर सानो खाल्डोखाल्डीहरू छन्, त्यो खाल्डोखाल्डीहरूमा चाहिँ पानी प्रयोग गरे हुँदो रहेछ। पानी चाहिँ जम्मा गरे हुन्छ, यिनीहरूलाई कुनै ठाउँ बनाइदिनु भएन क्या पानी खानको लागि। यिनीहरू यहाँ आउँछन्, खान्छन्, जान्छन्। ल भेडाहरू यहाँ चाहिँ ठुलो भेडा। Oh, here you go. Later kati ramai nonne munne. Oh really? Just today. Oh my god.
You feel how funny the fur feels.
आज भर्खरै जन्मेको पाठा. Is that he or she? Jara?
Here, check. Do you enjoy it? Come on.
It's
on,
so
babe.
cute.
So nice. Have you ever touched their skin?
No. Are we? Oh my god, it's
Touch this-
so
I've never got a chance to
rough,
touch
huh?
But 2 days time that'll be soft.
Oh yeah.
It's like a jacket. The jacket that we wear, this kind of. Do you want to touch? If you,
I have thought this one.
I'll make your video.
Lovely.
Pull them away. There's shit on there.
Oh,
There is a poo-poo there.
Oh well.
right.
Welcome to
So
surfing
यो
there.
पाठा भर्खरै आज जन्मेको रहेछ लकीली एन्ड यो फर चाहिँ एकदमै रफ जस्तो देखिया छ फर सुरुमा. So is that going to be a soft within how long days?
Probably a couple of days or so.
A couple of days it
Come
takes
on.
to be soft for this.
Come on.
Mother's Day ko.
यसको आमा चाहिँ गइरहेको छ भनेर. So it's
Come on.
I think asking for help
No, she wants
for the baby. Oh. Okay, lovely.
We might walk it over towards her so she doesn't lose it.
Yeah.
ल यहाँ चाहिँ हेरौ त यहाँ साल छ यसको भर्खरै पाएको रहेछ त्यो भर्खर त्यो बच्चा चाहिँ भर्खर पाएर चाहिँ पाठो साल अझै पनि यहाँ छ. अब यो साल यहीँ हुन्छ यतिकै
Fresh sal.
फ्रेस हो. कस्तो फिल भइरहेको बुढी तँलाई चाहिँ यहाँ आएर?
रमाइलो फिल भइरहेको मलाई त.
पहिलोचोटि फार्ममा आउँदाखेरि
पहिलोचोटि फार्ममा आएको देखेको होइन. म त रमाइलो
यहाँ
होइन.
पनि रहेछ पुरानो रहेछ यहाँ.
यस्तो गुहो.
कस्तो खालको हुन्छ
कालो गुहो. Oh! She's found it.
Yeah.
Now she found it.
Ready? For the tail gun?
Son or daughter, I don't know. But yeah, it's just screaming for it, probably. Like, यसको
Well, see, it's not even 12 months up, 24 hours old.
It's not
so
even
just-
24.
Oh,
There you go. That's how good they are.
It started
It's
walking.
wobbly, you see.
Yeah, it needs to learn how to walk.
We'll walk away now.
We'll walk away and then after the mom will come.
it's just thinking that's the mother.
Okay, we'll just go a little bit far and then after the mom will come and we will have a look.
So what do you feed just except of this grass?
Eh?
What do you feed to them?
What do we feed?
Just grass. And
Just-
I might have a bit of hay.
Just the grass. चाहिँ भेडाहरूलाई चाहिँ पानी खानको लागि यस्तो खालको सानो कुवा चाहिँ बनाइदिँदो रहेछ. अनि त्यस पछाडि यस्तो खालको चौरमा चाहिँ यो पास्चर एरियामा चाहिँ खाल्डाखोल्डीहरू पनि बनाइन्छ पानी जमेर बस्नको लागि, उनीहरूलाई पानी आहाराको लागि है त. ल अलिकति हिलो चाहिँ रहेछ है यहाँ यो ठाउँ चाहिँ गाईहरू वस्तुहरू गाई वस्तु बिरामी परेको गाई वस्तुहरूलाई लिएर आएर चाहिँ उपचार गर्ने ठाउँ रहेछ यो चाहिँ जिरालका अनुसार इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस नाइस वे हिलो हिलो रहेछ यार
How many workers do you have here?
Oh, well, it's really only a brother.
Oh, you don't
And a couple of others come.
sometimes.
Yeah. Oh, probably 3.
Oh, we have chickens. Do you sell them? Do you?
Oh, no, she just has them for eggs.
Just for eggs.
Now, where we go this way? This river.
How many chickens?
Oh, you can see it up there.
way to entrance यो चाहिँ is this
Sheep will come in here sometimes.
is this sheep fur
That's where they've
sheep's fur
It is, yeah, but that's just the bottom ends and where they've had poo around them. They're not the bits you want.
oh my god ल खोर त यस्तो पो रहेछ ल
I have never been this place in Australia. Never get chance to go inside the farm.
And so, like, these are the cattle yards where we bring cattle in so we can work on them. So, like, there's different pens and they come round, that chute round there, like, they come into this thing here where we catch them. Where we inject them and...
so is this shed for so this is shed for cows beefs
Well, if we got sick ones, we'll put them in here, yeah.
oh yeah for the treatment
It's mainly so we don't get wet and whatever while we work on them.
okay right place Gerald can you just please explain
It's a weighing place
weighing
to weigh cattle.
To weigh
Okay.
cattle.
Yeah.
To measure the kilograms.
oh so we just put the cattle over here
The cattle walk up on there,
Yeah.
stand on there.
okay
And this is connected to a little computer which we've got over there.
okay
And I scan that little button in their ears,
mhm
which connects them to that. And then I press.
यो ठाउँ चाहिँ क्यासलहरूलाई बिफहरूलाई अथवा गाई गोरुलाई जोख्ने ठाउँ रहेछ है सो वी जस्ट टेक द क्यासल फ्रम द्याट एरिया उताबाट लिएर आउँछ गाई गोरुहरू त्यस पछाडि यहाँबाट चाहिँ यसरी यहाँभित्र लिएर आएर यहाँ जोख्ने काम गरिन्छ है त सो यो चाहिँ भयो जोख्ने ठाउँ गाई गोरु सिपहरू यति हो यहाँ भएको पोर्ट भनेको यहाँ यहाँभन्दा अरू धेरै गोठ छ त्यत्रो 500 600 हजारौँ क्यासलहरू हुन्छ सबै बाहिर हुन्छन् यति ठाउँ बनाएको हुन्छ खालि ट्रिटमेन्टको लागि उपचारको लागि र उनीहरूलाई बाहिर लिएर जानको लागि जोख्नको लागि यस्ता खालका ठाउँहरू मात्रै बनाइएको हुँदछ फाइनली चाहिँ हाम्रो आजको फार्म भिजिटिङ कार्यक्रम चाहिँ सकिएको छ एन्ड वी इन्जोयड अ लट थ्याङ्क यू Gerald.
No trouble.
You made my day, so beautiful today.
That's good.
I enjoyed a lot. धेरै धेरै न ऊ चाहिँ उहाँ चाहिँ ओनर है